Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm bringing you this very bold glam Halloween makeup look and I'm really happy the way it came out. Like the past few years, all I've been doing on my channel is just like really gory makeup looks, which are obviously suitable for Halloween, but I've never actually just sat down and just done a really simple Halloween look. I know that most of you don't always like to dress up for Halloween, but you do like to take part and look sexy or grungy for Halloween. So I came up with this makeup look and this necklace and this little droplet. I just think it adds completely to the look. So if you want to see how I got this whole entire glam Halloween look for this year, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this tutorial a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I am going to be doing this tutorial with me talking to you guys instead of a voiceover, because I've done loads and loads of them. I haven't actually sat down and spoke to you guys properly, and plus my cold and chest infection has nearly gone, and I just thought I would catch up with you guys while showing you how I got this Halloween glam makeup look. So I've just put a strip of sellotape on the outer corner of my lid so I can just use it as a guideline, and so I can still get that really nice sharp wing effect. So the first thing I'm going to be going in with is my Technic face paint palette, and I'm going to be dipping into this very bright red. I did want a deep red, but this look still works really good with a bright red. To be honest, I think it made the other colours pop over the top, but by all means, if you have got a dark red and you prefer that, just go in with that. So I don't know if you guys have seen these little stippling sponges. So I actually did get these from Amazon, and they're actually from the brand Snazaroo, these little stippling sponges, and they're really great to get like blood spattered effects and things like that. So I'm just going to be cutting a piece of this off and dipping it into that red face paint, and then I'll be stippling it on my outer corner just to act as a spattered blood effect. So as you can see, it does make like a really cool effect. And then I'm just going to dip the tiniest amount of this sponge into the black paint just to add as another effect over the top of that red shade, just to give it some depth. Then what I'm going to be doing is dipping into the Morphe 35 palette, and I'm going to be dipping straight into this very deep burgundy red colour, and literally this is just going to go all over the lid. To be honest, the eyes are very simple. They do look very complex, but once you know how to do them, they are very simple. So I'm literally just going to be pressing this into my eye, not doing any blending as such, just pressing the product into my lid just so I can get the full intensity out of this shade. As you can see, it is sticking to the paint, and that's what I actually do want, just to add a bit more of a dried blood effect. Then when it comes to the inner corner, you just try and blend out, but try not to press too hard, because obviously you are going to be blending that paint out. Then once I've done that, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Master Precise liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to go off camera and do eyeliner because you know I suck at doing it on camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've done the wing, I'm going to be dipping into this shade right here in the 35 Morphe palette, and this is the closest you get to a black in this shade, in this palette, sorry. So I'm just going to be using a angled brush just to apply this, and I'm going to be smoking out the outer portion of my lid and where it joins with the black eyeliner. And then I'm just going to like kind of take the tip of the brush and just do like circular motions, just so it's blending out the colour but it's not getting rid of all that paint. Then again, I'm going to be taking that burnt reddy muddy colour and then just applying that over the top. Right, now you can leave it like that, but I am actually going to go in with a little bit of fake blood. I've just got to, so I'm going to go in with the Maybelline blood gel. Once again, I'm going to be cutting a bit off that stippling sponge and just literally dabbing this over my eye. So as you can see, it's already started to add a lot more effect. Then I'm going to be coating my lashes using the Thick and Fast mascara by Soap and Glory. Then I'm just going to be adding some eyelashes from the brand Eylure. Okay, so now the eyes are all done, we're going to start on the face. So I've already primed my face just using a primer from Urban Decay, which was the pink one, the Optical Illusion one. And the foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I'm going to be using a mixture of shades, so I'm going to be going in with F6 and F7. So F6 is a little bit too light and F7 is a little bit too dark. Mixing them together makes my perfect shade, and then I'll go in with the shade F8 just to contour. Then for concealer, going in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer Supersize one in the shade C6. And then going in with the shade F8 just to contour and bronze just a tiny little bit. Then I'm going to be setting everything in place using the Collection Sheer Loose powder. I've been using this powder a lot lately and I just absolutely love it. Like every time I apply it, my makeup literally stays in place all night. So I'm going to be setting my face using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder by Maybelline in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. For contour, blush and things like that, I'm going to go in with the Pro HD Amplified palette from Makeup Revolution. And I'm just going to go in with my contour brush from number 7, and I'm going to be going in with a mixture of the contour and bronze shade. So I'm going to go in with a bit of contour. Literally you only need the slightest amount because these shades are very, very pigmented, as you can tell. So this look is very full glam for Halloween, which I know some people don't actually like to dress up for Halloween, which is completely fine. Like sometimes I don't fully dress up, I just do a bit of like makeup art on my face and that's it. I don't really do the full shabam and like buy a costume and things like that. And plus, like, it's really expensive. Like I feel like if you're not like going to a Halloween party or you're just doing it for one night, I know some people go all out and spend loads of money on a costume that they're only going to wear once. And then I'm just going to go in with the same contour brush, and I'm going to use the shade Lush Brush, which I always use, which is my favourite shade. But again, you got to be careful because I can be very heavy on the bronzer and blush sometimes, so I'm just going to bounce my damp beauty blender over the top. Right, and then I'm just going to move on to the lower lash. So I'm just going to take the exact same shade. To be honest, I'm going to take that burnt red shade and just pop that on my lower lash. Then I'm going to take that browny blacky shade and then pop that on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so now that's done, I'm going to go in with some highlighter. I'm going to go in with the Self palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to go in with a mixture of this shade and this shade. I just absolutely love this highlighter palette. I just think it's so pigmented, like for drugstore. And then I'm also going to pop that in my inner corner. Now for lip, I'm really stuck on what to do, to be honest. I don't know whether to go in with a really dark matte red lip or go in with a purple. Right, I'm going to leave that there because I'm going to go in with the red. That one was just the Makeup Revolution in the shade Velvet Rebel. And now I'm going to go in with Sleek Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in the shade Fired Up 1038. Right, now I'm going to do a little detail. So you could leave it like this, but feeling like a little blood drop somewhere, so I don't know if to do it from my eye or from my lip. I think I am going to do it with this Sleek lipstick. So I think I might just leave it like that and then add a touch of white in it just to act as a reflectant, just to make it a little more realistic. So I'm going to go in with the Colour Precise eyeliner, and this is from Rimmel and it's just in 003 white. I brought this off Amazon the other day and I just think it makes it come to life a little bit more. And then because it is Halloween and it's makeup anyway, you do want this to literally stay all night. So I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix All Control Fixing Spray, and this is absolutely amazing. I used to use it all the time before and I just absolutely love it. Then what I like to do is, once that is all set in place, I just like to take my damp beauty blender again and just bounce all that setting mist into my makeup, just so I know it is really in, it's deep in that makeup and I know it's not going to go anywhere. And then obviously this is optional, but I just brought this just to add a little more detail to the look. So I brought this red choker from Amazon and I absolutely love it. It was like really cheap, and I just feel like if you don't want to dress up and if you just add like really like good details like this and chunky Halloween jewellery, I think it just adds like, I just think it completes the look. I just absolutely love it. So guys, this is the end result. I'm really super happy the way it come out. I think if I go anywhere this Halloween and I don't want to dress up, or it is like really a big rush, I think I will do this makeup look, just because the eyes are super easy and we only literally used 2 shades on the lid and the rest was literally 2 different shades of face paint and then a bit of fake blood. And I just think it's like really cute and sexy and sultry, and if you don't feel like dressing up, I think this is the perfect look for Halloween, especially with this little blood drop. I just think it adds a little something to the look, and especially with this like detailed neck, I just absolutely love it, which I got from Amazon. I really hope you enjoyed watching this Halloween glam, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this tutorial a big thumbs up, and also leave me some suggestions in the comment section below what you want to see next on my channel, whether it be a Halloween makeup look, Halloween glam, or just in general what you actually want to see on my channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But also don't forget to give this tutorial a big thumbs up and follow me on my Instagram page. I'll just leave it in the left or right hand corner for you guys. But yeah, until next time, hopefully I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.